Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the number of cases of coronavirus. As I had mentioned that after the 9th May 2021, 23, 10 hours, Ketu will leave the star Jesta and he will remove its foot from full throttle. But at the same time, and we have seen the number of cases reducing from 4 lakh 10,000, 4 lakh 12,000 to 3 lakh and 29,000, and then again going up to 3 lakh 60,000. Why they are going up to 3 lakh 60,000? I had mentioned that the 16th May is a crucial day because there will be exact degree aspect of Mars and Saturn, the one parameter, and the other parameter is that from the 13th of May, Rahu is going to change its motion. It's going to become stationary and then direct. Normally, Rahu is in retrograde motion, and when Rahu is in normal motion, means retrograde motion, he is Amrit. But when he is stationary and in direct motion, then he is poison. And I had mentioned that there will be spikes and the curve of number of cases will be a sine wave. When Rahu becomes stationary and direct, then that is the time when the number of cases will change. And now we have seen the number of cases have become almost stagnant. 3,60,000. From 3,29,000, they have gone to 3,29,000 from the 12th. Now, it is very difficult to find out when Rahu has exactly gone at what time. Maybe it has gone on the 12th. It is very difficult to see each and every day go on adding in the software every minute, and when it goes, it's very difficult to find out for every day, especially when it starts and when it ends. So I had given a date for 13th, but from 12th, and the other thing is that the stars start influencing a day before. So 12th, from 12th of May, again the pattern has taken the shape as per Rahu, and this will continue till 21st of May. There will be spikes, and there will be when it is stationary, then it gives more effect, and when it is in direct motion, then it is different, and it is very difficult to predict the outcome of Rahu when it is in retrograde and stationary motion. It has the capacity to turn the tables upside down. But then after the 6th, now the most critical day is only up to the 16th, because we have Veda in the Rashi Sangata Chakar and the Nakshatra Sangata Chakar. On the 16th, the Veda in the Nakshatra Sangata Chakar breaks. So by and large, what we can say that after 16th of May, the number of cases may not peak, may not cross 4 lakh and 12,000, but till 16th, it is possibility that the number of cases may be near 4 lakh cases per day as far as India is concerned. But as time passes by, things are going to be good. Then the next date is 2nd of June. Then the Veda between Mars and Saturn will also break in the Rashi Sangata Chakra. And 11th of June, Rahu will become in normal motion. So basically, friends, and then the first Rahu is going to be adverse motion from the 13th to 21st, and then 26th to 11th. This period from 26th May to 11th of June, it will be continuous in adverse motion. It is extremely bad. It is extremely bad for marriages. It is extremely bad for the worldly affairs, and especially giving a guarantee for somebody, it is not good. So even marriages are not good, because Rahu is Karka, Upakarka for marriage, and how marriage goes, what is the quality of marriage is seen from Rahu. So friends, this is what I wanted to say, that my predictions are going spot on. Not a single astrologer has given day-to-day predictions, and I am giving day-to-day predictions on coronavirus using the magical tools and using the true motion of Rahu. So this is all, friends. I just wanted to say that till 11th of June, coronavirus will be a hanging fire. especially when it does not, the number of cases do not reduce, then it becomes a hanging fire. But when the number of cases start reducing, then it is no more a hanging fire. That is why I had mentioned it is a hanging fire. But by and large, we are in a much better position today than what we were before the 9th May 2021. If Ketu had not ingressed in Anuradha, the number of cases would have spiked to 5 lakh cases per day. So that situation is gone, and that I don't see that situation at all. And this is all, friends. I just wanted to say that things are better, but they will be very slow ease, and already mentioned. And then after the 2nd June, Mars is going to go in Cancer. As far as the solar ingress in Taurus is concerned, you see Mars and Moon are placed in the 6th house. It is not good, and but there is an aspect of Jupiter on it, so it's good. But Saturn in the Lagna is not good, because in the Yama chart it goes in Aquarius, which is the 2nd house, and he is a Marak. And you see, till Mars aspect and the degree aspect of Mars and Saturn will end on 16th, and the Veda will also end in the Nakshatra Sangata Chakra. So this is going to be a big relief, because the fine tuning is seen from the Nakshatra Sangata Chakra. So after 16th, I feel, irrespective of Rahu in adverse motion, I see a definite change, but a slow change, and then first stagnancy, and then slow ease in the number of coronavirus cases. And I have also seen in D6 and D8, there is no chronicity. In D6 there is a chronicity, but D8 there is no chronicity. And as far as Mrityus Puta, Des Puta and Prans Puta is concerned, it definitely shows that the disease will continue, and it is a prolonged disease. It will not be over. And then you see in the what do you call the other parameter which is most important in the foundation chart of India is that in the D8 chart, in the foundation chart of India, in the D8 chart, the Lagna Lord is placed in the 6th house, and in transit also as per D8, Saturn is also transiting in that sign. When it becomes retrograde, it will come in the 7th house, which is released from hospitalization, released from confinement. So it shows, and that will be on the 21st of June. So what it shows, that after 11th June and after 21st June, we are going to get a relief from virus slowly. So that's all, friends. There's no need to panic. We are absolutely, astrology is whatever astrology has predicted, it is coming absolutely true, 100% true. And I am going day by day. I have predicted day by day. I have given a chart. You can see I have marked orange, and S is stationary and D is direct. So days when it is stationary, it is more harmful than days when it is in forward motion. So when it is day, when it is stationary, that is the time when the number of cases of per day may increase. So that those days also I have mentioned. There may be a difference of a day or so, but that's all. You see, I have predicted, and this is what I just wanted to share, that there is no need to panic. Things will definitely be better. Take care of yourself, maintain social distancing, and I suggest that the lockdowns must continue to break the corona, to flatten the corona curve. I don't know whether my message has reached the authorities and they believe my predictions. If they see my website, they can see for themselves that I have made about 1590 predictions, and 96% of them are correct, are spot on. Even the dates are spot on. So they must believe me, and there is no harm believing it, because it may prove to be beneficial for them. In any case, best of luck. Thank you for listening to me, and have a good day. Thank you.